guys, it's your Aussie Mum Anna, and today I am doing my promised Maybelline palette review. So because I'm an Australian budget YouTuber with like an entirely drugstore collection, the only brand I allowed myself to be completionist with was Maybelline. So I said I'd do the collection after I got a couple of the last ones I was waiting for in the mail. So we'll start now. Now the very first palette was the Bronze Nudes, which mine broke, so I had that. I don't have it anymore. The next one was the Blush Nudes. This was the third palette I ever got because I had the L'Oreal Palette Le Nude, like the Rose Edition one on Tati's recommendation, and lots of people on YouTube were doing comparisons or dupes because I guess these were some of the first drugstore palettes, so I jumped on that bandwagon. There's like 2 shades in this palette that are okay, I think. The others got hard panned, but I guess I had a bit of fun with it in the day anyway. The next one I've got is a more recent one. I don't think it's the exact next one. I know they had like smoky nudes and nudes reloaded, but this is the 24 karat nudes. Starting to move towards a better formula now. One I associate more with the Burgundy Bar, but these are like just some smoky, shimmery shades, a black matte and a cream brow bone highlight. But the shadows in here are, as you can see, a lot nicer than the ones that were in the Blush Nudes. Is my other door. Then we have the Graffiti Nudes. I'm not sure why they attempted to use the words nudes in this. It's an entirely shimmer palette except for the black. The pigmentation isn't great, but you can put the black underneath to build it up. But I do appreciate the fact that Maybelline decided to step outside their usual little box and do the Graffiti Nudes. So there's like the Nudes palette. Now this isn't called the Nudes, but if you notice, this one is in the same packaging with like the thick bottom and then a thin around the top. And this is the Burgundy Bar. This is the first one where they really started to step up their formula, although some people I've seen haven't enjoyed this palette. I find it beautiful, like one of the best ones they've done. So those all have the thicker packaging around the side, and then we sort of moved into the first of these ones that just has a single colour around the side. Now this is called the Total Temptation palette. It's also similar in it's the first of the ones that has like a cool side, a warm side, and highlighters. The formula in this one isn't the best. On the warm side, there are like 3 matte shades, and they're not too bad. The shimmers are fairly non-existent. Well, they sort of came with a hard pen, which I sticky taped off, so they're a bit better now. On the cool side, it's a little bit worse, like a glittery topper. The matte shades in here, although there's only 2, the really light mauve at the top and the one second from the bottom. It is a really pretty idea. I applaud them for it. Obviously other people did, because we then got the Countdown palette. This was also released with a limited edition like burgundy eyeliner and a lipstick. I got the lip gloss, it's beautiful. This is the same idea, as you can see. So cool side, warm side, highlighting shades in the middle. The formula is a lot better here. It's a really nice palette. A creamier shimmer formula, and the quite dry matte formula that I associate with Maybelline, but gets the job done. But then I was quite shocked. So the next one we got is the Lemonade Craze.